Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We are out today on an adventure. Where? Okay, we'll see about it. I am not feeling so well in terms of my voice is hoarse. I am coughing like crazy, but we are out and I'm gonna try and vlog for you guys. We're in a lovely city which was nominated one of the most beautiful villages in France. It is called Sant'Agnese, and that's where we are today. It's about an hour drive from Nice. It's just above Menton. So if you're on the French Riviera and looking for somewhere to visit, let's see if this will be a nice recommendation. Based off the views that I'm already seeing, I would highly recommend this. But of course, you have to have your personal vehicle or a rental car to get you up here, because it's a nice little drive and it's just absolutely beautiful. So this is the view from where I'm standing. You can see the coastline of Menton here, and then that's Italy down here. That's Bordighera that we're seeing in the corner. Let me zoom for you so you can have a better view of the coastline. Come Sarah, come, Papa is here. So that's Menton down there, and then we go along, we have Italy on the coast at the end down there. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, look at the restaurant in the corner up here that people dining. So there should be a few things to see on the inside of this village. So let's go have a good day, shall we? Come on, let's go. Let's go visit. Pull down your pants. Pull down your pants. The foot. No, the foot. Look. I tell her pull down her pants. She was about to pull it down from her bottom. This part. Say hello to Faze.
Hi.
Come on. Say hello, guys.
Hi guys, hi guys.
Tyler, say hello. You want to tell Faze where we are?
We are in Sant'Agnese. Sant'Agnese. They say it's the highest village of the littoral in Europe. So we're just close to the beach, but we are very high, so you can see the entire Menton, Roquebrune, Cap Martin, the Italian border, and Bordighera, like the little island stuff. So I think that's the font.
We're in here.
Yeah.
All right. Tyler, let's go.
Let's go.
All right. Here we go. Look at my princess. Oh, she's pretty. You don't want the glasses? Ah. Whoa.
So this is
Ce sont des prises téléphoniques et à chaque prise vous avez un téléphone, un TM modèle 1932. C'est un téléphone à manivelle, ça marche très bien. Alors on prend la communication et à partir de là, il faut savoir quel est le problème, quelle est la nature de la menace. Donc ils vont communiquer en permanence entre cette salle et le bloc d'observation pour 54 mm. La salle qui demande au canon de 135 mm. La garde est bonne, c'est pour ça qu'on travaille. Les transmissions du bloc et les toilettes du bloc. C'est moi. Moi qui balaye. Balayer bien.
Sarah, viens là.
Nous effectuons montée vers 370. À vos ordres, chargez!
comprenez pourquoi un appareil qui transmet l'ordre visuellement maintenant. Vous comment ça fait? Les bruits que vous avez entendus, c'est des bruits réels. Ils ont été enregistrés au fort de Roche-Sacro il y a quelques années.
Come.
Mais après aussi en saison, il travaille maintenant avec les marcheurs.
It's a craft shop. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ah, it's a crepe shop. So we're going through the village. It's a stone village, yes, Sarah? No. And then there's a restaurant on the side of the mountain. Come on, let's go. It's really beautiful here.
Restaurant. Restaurant.
Mm-hmm. Bonjour.
Sarah, tu viens?
Go, please. Go with Papa. Wow.
À la fin, est-ce qu'on pourra avoir une glace?
Je sais pas, vous allez jouer, on va voir.
Et au Brésil,
Wow. It reminds me of Ez. There's a church from here. This is a school. Wow. That's cool. Mm. Come. Come.
à côté de l'église et la mairie est à côté d'une école.
They're repainting the school, the church. I think they're repainting the church or doing some construction.
Je comprends pas pourquoi ils n'ont pas balayé un peu plus que ça.
Restaurant around here, so again they have quite a few eating spots. Damn, it cold around here, man. Jesus, why so cold? It's chilly here. The mountainside. They're picking up leaves. You guys, we left. Hopefully you guys can hear me under this noise. We left Sant'Agnese, the village that we went to visit. It was absolutely beautiful there. Just a little stone village, and now we come back down to Menton, the city just below, where there's a park. The kids are there enjoying the evening. We're here just for an hour because the park closes in like 30 minutes, so they're having a good time. We had crepe and they're just having a ball. I can't even tell you where they are right now. Well, Sarah is at the top of this slide right up here. You guys can't see her because of the sun, because she's at the top up here. She's about to slide down right now. This girl have no fear whatsoever, this little girl. But the sun, you guys can't see her properly, but she's up there. Here, hurry up. Oh my gosh, she's coming down. Sitting pretty as usual. Sarah! Ooh. Say hi. Say hello.
Et laisser Im s'en aller. C'est pas très sympa, mais ça, il s'affiche. Alors, trouve un partenaire et parce que rencontrer quelqu'un de spécial, au final, c'est bien le but.
En gros, il y a des millions de fourmis. Et elles sont toutes petites.